Have you been searching for that perfect townhome? Well, that search ends right here. Welcome to Unit 18, 6577 South Down Place, centrally located right here in the community of Sardis. This beautifully designed 2,500 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath has everything your family needs and more, including a walkout yard, 9-foot ceilings throughout the main floor. I love this large driveway, room for a full-size truck or SUV, and downstairs is an unfinished basement ready for your ideas. I'm Matt with the Hardy team. Let's go check this one out.